learn about the table of 140. Our table this year is started with 1 and ended with 140. We count from 1 to 140. So in prime 3, we will need this table from 1 to 140. Let's learn how to complete the pattern in numbers by using the table. But don't forget how we jump on the table of 114. If we want to jump up, then we adding 10. For example, 25 up 35. It means we adding 10. Adding 10. 25 plus 10 equal 35. And if we jumping down, so we minus 10. We subtract 10. 25 minus 10 equal 15. So don't forget, up is adding 10, down is subtracting 10, up plus 10, down minus 10, up plus 10, add minus 10. Okay, what's happened when we're moving right and left? Right, we plus 1. Left, we minus 1. So 25 left is minus 1, 24. Right is plus 1, 26. Again, 25. If we look right, we adding 1, 26. If we look left, we subtracting 1, 24. So don't forget how we jump in the table 140, because we will need it when we solve the pattern in numbers. 25 up, 35 down, 15 right, 26 left, 24. This is a small example. Let's move now to our lesson. Let's remember together our examples and how we complete in the same pattern. What happened? 10, 20, 30, 45, 55, 56. This is our example. Do you remember the shape of this question? Do you remember this question? Today we will remember together how we solve it, but in the table 114. We will take each example alone. We will talk about 10, 20, 30. Where is 10? Where is 10? Can you imagine where is 10? 10 is here. And where is 20? Where is 10 and where is 20? 10, 20 is up. 30 is up. So what we do? We adding 10, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We adding 10. Why we adding 10? Because we jumping up. So the answer will be 10, 20, 30, after 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's move now to the next example, and we will search about the number in the table 114. "45, 55, 65. Search about 45. Where's 45 in this table, my friends? Where's 45 here? Where's 55? It's up. And 56, it's up. So we're moving up. We're jumping up. So what we do, we adding 10. Why? Because we're jumping up. 55, 55, 65. So the answer will be 75 and 85 and 95. We adding 10 because we're jumping up. Let's move now to the next example. "30, 35, 40. What we do? There is 35. Count 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. How many times we jump? 5. 5. Right. So we adding 5. We adding 5. 5, 45, 42, 43, 45, 40, 44, 45. How many times we jumping? Right. 5 times. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Count the number you jumping on right. We jumping right, 50. So after 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55,
56, 57, 58, 59, 60. After 60, 65. So the answer will be 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. How many times we jump? We jumping 5 on the right, then we adding 5. Let's move now to the next examples and complete in the same pattern. This is a lot of examples. We will solve it together. 75, 77, 79, 65, 63, 61. We will talk about each example alone. In the first one, 75, 77. What happened in this? What happened? Can you think with me? 75, 77. What we do? We make the number bigger than or smaller than the previous one. 75, 77. We grow or we make small? No, the number is growing. We're growing. We're moving up. The number is become bigger than and greater than the previous one. 75, 76, 77. How many times we jump? We're jumping 2. 75, 76, 77. We're jumping 2. 79, 77, 79. What happened? 77, 79. What happened? We adding 2. We adding 2. 77. After 77, we 78. We write 78? No, we write 79. So we jumping 2. We jumping 2. Look, I put on a row and I write +2. 79 plus 2, 80? No, it's 81. We will write 81. 81 plus 2, 83. 83 plus 2, 85. The next example. 65, 63, 61. What we do? We make the numbers bigger or smaller. The number is growing or not? No, these numbers is not growing. It's become smaller than the previous one. 65, 63, 65, 63. We're moving backward, not forward. We're moving backward, not forward. Backward. 65, 64, 63. We're moving 2 backward. Backward, it means -2. So what we will do, we will write -2. 65 -2, 63. Backward 2, backward. 63, 62, no. 61, yes. We -2 again. Backward 2 again. 61, 60, no, not 60. So what should we write? It's 59 -2, we will write 59. Look, where's 59? Here it is. 59 -2, 57 -2, 55. Okay, let's move to the next example. And make sure that you focus with me because these examples is a little difficult. 90, 94, 95, 99. What happened here? 90, 94. Count from 90 to 94. Can you count? After 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. What happened? We adding 4. So we write +4. Okay? 94, 95. Count from 94 to 95. After 94, 95. What happened? I count a jumping 1. So we adding 1. We will write +1. Look. In the first time I adding 4. In the second time I adding 1. So this rule is changing. Is it changing? It's not constant rule. This rule is changing. Let's see. 95, 99. Can you count from 99 to 95? After 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. How many fingers you have? 4. How many times we jump? We jumping 4. So we will write +4.
In the next time, what should I do? +4 + 1 + 4, so what should I do? I will write +1. +1. So 99 + 1 equals 100. Excellent. 99, 100. 100 + 4, 104. So make sure that these kinds of problems, if questions, is not constant. It's all the time, it's changing. Let's see the next example. I write 12, 22. What happened? We adding 10. 12, 22. We adding 10. How I know? Look at the units. Look at the unit. The unit here is 2 and the unit here is 2. The tens is 1 and the tens is 2. So the tens is changing. The tens is changing. The tens is changing. So it's mean we adding 10. From 22 to 27, after 22, 26, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, we jumping 5, so I will write +5. And again we will add in +10. Why? Because 7, 27, 37. 7, 7. The unit is in the same, but the tens 2 become 3. 2 is becoming 3. 2, 3. So I change only the tens. So it's mean I adding 10, 12, 22, 27, 37, +10, +5, +10. The next time will be +5. So 37 +5, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. And the next time we will adding 10. I put the unit in the same 2 and I will add the tens. 52, 42, 52. The next example, the last one. 60, 68. What we do? 60, 68. What happened here? We adding 8. 68, 64. No, what happened? We -4. The 64 is smaller than 68. So what we do here, we subtract. 68, 64. 60, 68, we +8. 68 to 64, we -4. What should we do in the next time? We will adding 8. Look, +8, 72. -4, we will jumping backward. So the result will be 68. 68. And after 68, what the result will be? +8. The result will be what? 68 + 8, 76.